In your classroom, it is crucial that students in the back can hear the lesson as clearly as the students in the front. That was the inspiration behind Maxell's Soundbar and microphone duo. It's a simple plug-and-play design, which means it is a quick and easy solution for teachers. The 2.4G mic occupies unused channels to avoid any interference with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or radio frequencies. This makes the connection clearer with no lag and has a longer range, which is ideal for the classroom. The transmitter can be snugly clipped onto your shirt, pocket, or collar, making it easy to deliver your lesson hands-free. Don't worry about straying too far from the soundbar, because the mic and receiver have a range of 100 feet before they lose connection. Once turned on, the soundbar will produce clear, room-filling sound thanks to the two 40mm drivers inside. These drivers will also help to create deep bass and crisp highs if you choose to use your soundbar for music, movies, or videos. The battery life of this soundbar ranges from 4 to 5 hours when using it wirelessly, and the microphone and receiver can operate for 5 to 6 hours on one charge. You can utilize the micro USB cable and convert the soundbar into a wired speaker for all-day use, or use the micro USB cable and charge your soundbar. Use the USB Type-C charger to recharge your mic and receiver. The top of the device is equipped with a volume dial and 4 control buttons. The first button can be used to switch between the modes: 2.4G mic, TF card, and auxiliary. The next 2 buttons are the forward and backward skip buttons. And the last button can be used as both a play-pause button as well as an answer button for phone calls. This 4-button design is meant to make the soundbar more simple to use, even for those who don't consider themselves tech-savvy. By adding the Maxell soundbar and mic to your classroom, it will help to keep your students engaged and lower the risk of them falling behind.